So what we are seeing here is a Gyrocompass Raytheon STD 22 model. So this is the side door. I have removed the screws already. So if you remove this one, you will see the inner parts, which are this is the outer sphere, which have gyro sphere inside this container. Then outer sphere PCB is here, and if you remove the top cover, I have unscrewed it already. This board is sensor PCB, and this board is power supply PCB, and this board is connection PCB, and this is encoder, which is connected from down below, and the sphere is inside here. So this outer sphere is engaged with 4 clips. So by pressing the 4 clips, we can disengage this outer sphere. So these are the 2 clips. First of all, disengage 2 clips, and another 2 clips to disengage. Remove the connection. Then you can pull it outside, which can be used for overhaul annual service by changing the liquid or by changing the gyrosphere for this purpose.